Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on CUBOT KingKong 3. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and now select Child or Teenager. Then click Next. Now click on Other Create Account for your child. And here you have to enter your child email. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. And now click I agree. Then click More and Accept. And now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And now scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually. And now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.